In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to transfer XRP from Uphold to Trezor. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna go over the prerequisites that you need to transfer XRP from Uphold to Trezor and the actual step-by-step guide. So first, for the prerequisites, you need a Trezor hardware wallet. This can either be the Model T or Safe. Next, make sure that you have the latest version of the Trezor suite installed on your computer. This is where you will be able to manage your balance, receive the currency, and of course, acquire your wallet addresses. Next, make sure that you have an Uphold account with XRP and a basic understanding of XRP. Next, secure your Trezor. So, first, connect your Trezor to your computer and follow the on-screen instructions. This will allow you to set up or unlock the device accordingly. So if this is your first time using it, you will be able to set up a strong password and the recovery seed. Next, obtain your XRP receiving address. You will be able to tap the plus sign using Trezor Suite and choose the option to receive XRP. So navigate to the XRP tab, select it accordingly, and choose to receive XRP on Trezor. Note down the XRP address and the destination tag displayed on your Trezor device. You will need both for the transfer. Once you acquire these details, initiate the transfer on Uphold. So open your Uphold account, go to your XRP balance, and choose the option to withdraw or send. When you choose withdraw or send, you will be able to pass the XRP address that you copied from your Trezor into the required field and enter the destination tag. Once you enter all of the necessary details, review the transaction details for any included fees and double check the address that you included. Next, confirm the transaction on Trezor. The device will prompt you to confirm the incoming XRP transaction, and if you do, you will be able to receive the asset on your Trezor device. I hope I was able to help you on how to transfer XRP from Uphold to Trezor. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.